Who called?
I called.
What happened?
So we're out here obviously doing like MOT and whatnot. We're flagging traffic.
Okay.
A little bit down that way, we have a bunch of equipment, like paving equipment.
Okay.
And a black Porsche Cayenne was trying to cut off the equipment and go around them into the oncoming lane because he didn't want to wait. So they could potentially hit him. So I tried to stop him. I ran in front of him like, yo, I need you to stop. He came to a complete stop. Okay. And I was like, I need you to stay right here. And he started throwing his hands up, and then he stepped on the gas and then like ran into me on my legs and whatnot.
So you hopped in front of the car?
No, I was already standing in that lane.
Because you said you went from the car to stop it.
Yeah, we have to stop the traffic so that he can't move in front of our equipment. So that whole lane is shut down. We have only one lane right here. And I have a picture of it.
Yeah, we've already got the car. Well, at least we have the tag and we know where he's not local.
Hello, Donald.
Hello. How are you?
Good. I just got some questions for you today.
Sure.
Before I ask the questions, I gotta read you something from this card.
Yeah, I didn't ship that person, if that's where you're going. Because he ran right up to the car and hit the front of the car.
So that it wasn't your intention to hit him?
Of course not.
Okay. Because, I mean, he's claiming that he had you stopped, and then you revved your engine and went into him. And I have two witnesses also corroborating that story.
Other workers there?
Yeah.
No, I never. He came right up to me and...
Was anybody in the car with you?
No.
It was just you?
Just me.
Okay.
And he came right up to me, and I think he hit the car, and he said, stop. And the car might have moved right there. He was running. I mean, he was not running fast, but he was coming up there like that, and he got out of the car. And, I mean, why would I run over somebody? I mean, that's just... Somebody maybe is looking, I'm driving a nice car, maybe taking advantage of the situation.
I can see if he just claimed that and we had no other witnesses, but I mean the other witnesses' stories were almost exactly the same, and I spoke to them, separately, making sure I'm doing my due diligence with the investigation here, and they both described the same exact incident, that you came out into oncoming traffic, not listening to them.
It wasn't not listening.
I know, it's not oncoming. No, I know it's not oncoming traffic. It was down to one lane,
yes.
But it was still a lane that you weren't supposed to be in at that time. And they said you were impatient. You came out and then you stopped, and then he's waving you down, told you to stop, and then he's waiting for the other traffic, and then that's when you hit him with the car.
There was no other traffic, and I didn't hit him with the car. He ran up to the car. I mean, with the confusion going on, the car could have lunged a little bit, but nothing like I gave it the gas and tried to run him over or anything like that.
Okay. And it's not like a manual transmission or anything like
Pardon
that?
me?
It's not a manual transmission? It's automatic?
It's automatic.
Okay. All right. You've been compliant with me. I don't have to put the handcuffs on behind you. I'll just put them on in the front so it's more comfortable while we drive down. Excuse me, ma'am?
He's arresting me for some loony that is claiming I hit him with the car. And he ran up, put his hood on the car, put his hands on the car, and there were other buddies were standing there and then he was swearing, cussing, and said, you gonna run me over or something like that.
Okay. No. So if you wouldn't mind just putting your hands out like that.
Wait, let me.
Oh, this is absurd.
You know what this is all about.
Okay.
Okay.
And just double lock them so they don't close in on you. You're not having any medical complaints?
Right now?
No. Yeah.
No.
Okay. All right. Am I just walking me down to my car over here?
So where
I
are
can.
you going?
I can explain everything to you. We'll just do it at my car once he's secured in my back seat, and I'll let you know.
Do you want me to come with you?
Yeah, if you wouldn't mind.
What a shit.